And I'm now going to try and put it to the test and try and keep all my knowledge of safety around me at this point. And I'm not saying that I'm going to be looking for dangers, but there are dangers absolutely everywhere. I'm sure you can imagine. You've seen the safety induction video. It exists for the reason. There are dangerous things around the place. Not just that lady there, Barbara, who's rather safe and keeps things safe. Everybody and everywhere, you must be looking out for dangers, of course, because you love your families. You want to survive the shift. You want to get paid. You want to come back for overtime. You want to be here for Christmas bonuses. You want to get everything, so you want to survive the Signum experience. So I'm starting here in one of the most dangerous areas, and as I look around almost every area, you can see around you the eye wash station there. They're dotted around the place. Keep looking for them. There's always signs as well showing you what equipment they want you to be wearing. I'm wearing gloves already. I think you should always wear a hat as well. This isn't going to protect you from heavy objects falling. It's only going to protect you from getting your hair in the equipment. But it's important to follow the tips and procedures that they set down for you here. That's an important thing. When you see a steaming vat of acid, think carefully about what it's doing. What's it doing? Why is it steaming? Is it hot? Can your fingers get burnt? You've got to be thinking the whole time. So there's a notice here for eye protection. Eye protection must be worn in this area. Please follow procedures. It's a very, very important thing to do.
I was repairing a conveyor system, which takes the boards through processes, and I was taking like cogs off the ends of shafts. We've got a vice which grips onto the shaft. So you leave the vice open just a little bit, put the cog in it, and then tap it with a hammer, and your bench is about a metre in front of you. So I'd hit it, and then I smashed it, and I think a piece flew off, hit off the wall, and must have went into my eye. Into the corner of my eye.
So eye protection, hat protection, glove protection, all around. There's dangers that can affect you. There's two basic parts of this video. The idea of how you can protect yourself and the idea of once there's trouble, procedures you can follow. So in an area like this, you can see there's sharp things in the corner. You can see the sharp things there. Oh, they're so sharp. You've got to watch out for your fingers. There's copper lining to the things you've got to watch out for. There's all these chip boards and plates that are very, very sharp. You've got to watch out for them. How many accidents happen from scalpel cuts, chopping off the corners of the copper corners? Hundreds the whole